Hi, I'm Brittany with United Country, and welcome to our newest listing. This beautiful home is located just minutes outside of Park Falls on 124 acres and steps away from the Flammable River. Outside features a beautiful pond right in the front yard, and in the backyard there's an outdoor patio area with a kitchen and a hot tub, perfect for entertaining. Inside includes 3 bedrooms, which are located upstairs, a bonus room in the basement, a 3-season porch right over here, and also additional features. There is custom cabinetry throughout the whole home with beautiful wood features. If you're interested in looking at this beautifully custom-made home, give me a call or visit us on our website at ucnorthernwisconsin.com.